Hello, St. Paul's. It is Friday, September 25th, and this is the Ministry and Renovation Update. This coming Sunday, we will continue our series looking at the big picture, and Sunday particularly, we'll be looking at the issue of what about the future? What does the future have in store for us? Is the world getting better or is it getting worse? And how does the Bible address that? The live stream will be at 10:30 as usual, and you can find the link for that at stpaulsottawa.com. The following Sunday, October 4th, we will have our live stream at 10:30, but we will also begin our in-person services that same day. The service also at 10:30. So the service that we do live in the sanctuary with the congregation will be the service that you see live streamed, and all at 10:30. And of course recorded so that you could watch that later if you so choose. There was a lot of information that I posted on the 23rd about the reopening, so I will refer you to that video that's on this channel. Or you can also go to our homepage, stpaulsottawa.com, and click the link to the reopening procedures. And there you will find everything that we have. Well, probably not everything, but you'll find a lot of information about the reopening coming up for October the 4th. You will have to register to attend worship. This covers off a lot of things. It allows us to keep track of the numbers. It also allows us to pre-screen for issues around COVID-19. So you will be able to go to the link to register as of Monday. The link for the following Sunday service will go live each Monday. So you can click the link on Monday, or you can phone the church on Monday and go through a registration procedure that way. That's it for now. That information is available, as I said, on the website or in the video on the 23rd. Now, here's a look at what Campbell Hall looks like today. The Lord bless you and keep you.